everyone, welcome back to Dirty Hands Clean Living. My name is Star and today I am going to show you how to start some sweet potato slips. Now this is going to be super easy, super short video, so let's get into it. So first you will need just some jars. I've also seen people, again you can use any plastic container, solo cups that you have. You'll just need something to actually fit the sweet potato in. And then next you'll just need some existing sweet potatoes. So these are just some like older ones that I had left over that I kind of like get a little bit bad. And I just got these from the grocery store, so you can just pick up any sweet potatoes. I have one red sweet potato that I'm going to try and get to grow slips. And so what I'm going to do first is just make sure all of my sweet potatoes are facing the correct way, because I have learned that each sweet potato has a top, which is the pointy end, and a bottom blunt end. And you want to face it so that the pointy end is facing upwards, because the pointy end is the side that's actually going to grow your slips. Now you can still grow slips if you put it in the wrong way. It's just going to force your potato to work a little bit harder. They kind of have to reorient themselves, and so they just take a little bit longer to grow if you put them in there wrong. And some of them are hard to tell. I'm going to say this is the pointy end. Just make your best guess. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill these up with water and show you what we do next. Okay, so now that we have these filled up with water, you are going to need toothpicks, or I don't have toothpicks, so I'm using these old little drink umbrellas that I have, which works perfectly fine. We'll see if I have enough. I might have to break these in half. And then you're just going to put your toothpicks in and kind of use those to balance your sweet potato in the water. This is what we have going. I have 2 umbrellas in each, or 2 toothpicks in each besides this one. I ran out, but I made it balance with just one. And you just want to make sure that in each one that the bottom of the potato is, touching the water. So I will probably add just a little bit more water to this one. And then you just wait a few weeks and hopefully they will start sprouting. I'll keep you guys updated on the progress of these, and we will see how it goes. But that's how you grow sweet potatoes from store-bought sweet potatoes.
So I just wanted to add, if you are going to be starting your sweet potato slips like I am in this video, you also want to make sure that you are changing out the water every few days, or just whenever it starts to get cloudy. You want to make sure that the water stays fresh and clean so that your slips can grow properly. And then I also wanted to mention that you will need to place them somewhere where they will be getting direct sunlight. Sweet potatoes are more of a warm weather crop, so they grow best in very sunny, bright, warm conditions. Lastly, I also wanted to mention that if you really don't have a lot of money and you want to plant a little bit more sweet potatoes and get a little bit more bang for your buck, you can cut the sweet potatoes in half and place each half in water. Again, like I mentioned though, since sweet potatoes kind of have a top and a bottom, the bottom one that you're facing upwards may just take a little bit longer to grow, but that is still something you can do. And I will also do a video in the future once my sweet potato slips are ready to plant, just on how to plant them and also what I will be growing them in. But that's all for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you learned something. Please leave a comment down below if this was helpful and if you're starting sweet potatoes this year, and please remember to like and subscribe as well. Thanks so much. Bye.